Alrighty, boys. Let's head home. After the gym, ooh, there's a Mustang. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna drive. We're gonna chill. This new Ghost flavor came out, boys. This right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. This iced tea lemonade slaps, man. Let me tell you what. Hopefully the GoPro does well with recording audio. So this time it's not my phone, guys. I upgraded to a GoPro. A GoPro. I know, right? We're gonna have some epic moments, bro. But let's go ahead and get on the road. All right, let's put this in manual. We're gonna go this way, because why not? There's also a new IS parked right next to me. Thing looks sick. There's Joseph leaving the gym too. Alrighty, boys. Alright. Let's get out of here. How's y'all boys' day going? And girls, I guess you could say. I think I'm gonna start doing these more often, to be honest with you. You kind of just yapping and driving. Ow, that bump was brutal, dude. You kind of just yapping and driving, just because it's fun, honestly. Like days when I come home from the gym, or I'm just out driving by myself, we can go on little adventures. You know what I'm saying? If we weren't stuck behind a Nissan Altima, we could have some adventures, but stuck. Also, if you guys have like recommendations on what I should do to the Lexus, let me know. We have upgraded LCA bushings. I didn't do a video on that, but we have them on the car. I've had them on for like a month or two, and they've been fine. The ride is kind of a little more bumpy, but I put them on and then did a 5-hour road trip, and I was just fine. So, oh, there was an RCF. I don't know if you guys saw that. That was an RCF. That thing was sick. Also, we're just gonna have some fun. Just chilling. Just chilling. Another thing, guys, we have Cars and Coffee coming in next week, so I'll probably record for that if I can. And I remember to charge everything. I'll record that for you guys, and then I'll post it like in the middle of the week after that. Because you know I have a job, you know. But yeah, this should be pretty fun. You get a lot of cars there. Is that another RCF? I think that was another RCF. What the heck, dude? I start recording and I get a bunch of cool cars. Like, holy cow, dude. What do I see? A Lamborghini Huracan go flying by? I mean, holy. Oh, I see the cops up there, boys. Oh, he went a different way. I don't want this Nissan Altima to go the same way as me. but I know he is. So I'm gonna like. I hate slow traffic. Yeah, I was gonna record one yesterday, guys, but then it started raining, and I'm like, I don't really feel like driving in the rain. I don't feel like that'd be that enjoyable. But I guess it's not much more enjoyable than be stuck in behind a slow car. I mean, life, guys. What if we go this way? Chat, I have never been down this road. I'm gonna be honest. I have no idea what to expect. That is a nice house, I'll tell you that. Guys, we're in a rich area apparently. This road, boys. You don't want to be mad if I like pop the U-turn right now? Alright, boys. That's a fun little road that we just found. That was fun, boys. Probably put a lot of temp in my car. Crank the air down. Cool. Well, that's fun. That's why you buy a Lexus. It's still running. I'm just messing around, boys. rest of the way home. Put it back into auto, where we cruise home. The LCA bushings felt really good. The steering felt really responsive. So, our racing LCA bushings felt good. I'm thinking about doing like a full review on them at some point. I don't know when, but let me know in the comments if you guys want to hear about that, or my experience installing them, how they feel, things like that. I'll do like a 10-minute long review, I guess, and some driving and things like that. I'm just gonna cruise, boys. Let that motor cool off. Hey, you know what they do say though? These IS250s with that direct port injection, it's good to let them rev out every once in a while and get some temp in there to help that carbon buildup break down and get rid of it. So we're doing the car a favor. If anyone asks, if you have an IS250 and your parents are like, why you be driving fast? I'm helping the car. You know, that's all you gotta say. You're helping the car. What time is it, boys? Yeah, 8:49 p.m. Sun is setting. We just had a nice workout, fun little drive. That's peak life, boys. Got reminders on my phone. Also, guys, if you guys are in the like Dayton, Ohio area and you have some cool cars and you're willing to let me drive them for YouTube videos, let me know in the comments, because I feel like driving my car and only my car will get old after a while, you know, and I want to bring you guys good, fun content, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys have any cool cars in the Dayton, Ohio area, let me know. What is that guy doing? Did y'all just see that? What is this guy doing? Okay. Anyway, if you guys have any cool cars in the Dayton, Ohio area, you know, hit on my email. I'll put it on the screen. Or you can just put a comment on this YouTube video. And, yeah. Oh, man, I'm tired. I do love the gauge though. The LFA inspired gauge. Peak Lexus. Now I'm stuck behind the slow car. The story of my life. Being stuck behind the slowest cars. Dunkin' Donuts. That sounds pretty good. Dang, that guy ran that red light. That guy is flying. Oh, and this guy is just right there. Alright. Alright boys, I think this is going to wrap up today's video. So there's a dash. If you guys ever didn't know what the IS dash looks like, it looks like an LFA. But anyways, that's going to be the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed another POV drive. Sorry my hand is shaking. It's because this road is very bumpy. But it should be okay. You guys should be good, right? You guys are good, right? Anyway, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.